The DEEPOWER G23 is a powerhouse among folding electric mountain bikes, engineered for performance, endurance, and adaptability. With its 1500W high-torque motor and massive 48V 35AH battery, this e-bike delivers the freedom to explore farther, climb steeper, and ride stronger on any terrain. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike, it combines brute strength with intelligent design for an effortless, thrilling riding experience. At its heart, the G23 is driven by a 1500W brushless motor that provides explosive acceleration, smooth power delivery, and impressive hill climbing capability. Whether you're navigating city streets, off-road trails, or steep mountain paths, the motor ensures reliable performance with excellent torque and stability. Riders can easily conquer tough inclines and rough terrains without sacrificing speed or comfort. Powering this motor is a massive 48V 35AH lithium battery, offering a range that outperforms most bikes in its class. With its long-lasting capacity, the G23 allows you to travel great distances on a single charge, perfect for extended outdoor trips or all-day urban commuting. The removable design provides convenience for charging at home or the office while also enhancing battery security. Built with a sturdy yet foldable aluminum alloy frame, the G23 offers the best of both worlds, durability and portability. Despite its rugged build, the frame folds easily for compact storage in your car trunk or apartment. This makes it an ideal choice for riders who need both off-road strength and daily practicality. The 7-speed Shimano transmission system ensures smooth gear, shifting, and adaptability to various terrains. You can transition seamlessly between power-assisted and manual riding, optimizing energy use and comfort whether you're cruising on pavement or climbing rocky hills. Comfort and safety are elevated with a front suspension fork and rear shock absorber, designed to absorb bumps and vibrations for a smoother ride on uneven ground. Combined with fat all-terrain tires, the G23 maintains outstanding grip and stability across dirt, gravel, snow, or sand. For reliable stopping power, the hydraulic disc brakes provide sharp, responsive braking in all conditions, whether wet, dry, or muddy. The integrated LED headlight and tail light enhance visibility during night rides, ensuring safety and confidence in low-light environments. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed of essential ride data, speed, battery level, distance, and assist mode, so you remain in full control. Every detail of the G23 is crafted to enhance convenience and performance for modern riders who demand more from their electric bikes. In essence, the DEEPOWER G23 1500W electric bike is more than just transportation. It's an adventure companion. With its extraordinary power, ultra-long range, foldable design, and premium comfort features, it's built for riders who want to go farther, faster, and freer, no matter where the road leads.